welcome back to my channel. Yes, guess what I finally did? I went to Target. Yes, I haven't found a good Target deal in a while, so I was like, I'm pretty excited. Sorry, I'm like freezing cold. My basement doesn't have heat very well. We have to keep a vent open just to keep coldness in here. It is like 0 degrees outside, so I am like freezing, so I wanted to quickly do this video. But yes, I went to Target, and I don't do Target very often lately because I feel like the deals have not been great. Like, I try to bring you guys a lot of Ibotta deals, but there probably is a lot of Ibotta deals. I just don't see anything that's like popping out or worth it. So, but there's that. But I did find some good deals, and I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. So let me drink my chocolate milk. I just need something to drink. I've been having weird problems with my throat. It's the pregnancy. It's not my normal self. But, yeah. So, the first thing I got is the Suave detanglers. The flavors, or the scents is what they call, are silly, apple, and berry. Awesome. I have a friend who has a little girl who has long hair, so I thought these would be perfect for her. So these are $2.99. There's a 10% off deal on Cartwheel, so you guys can use that 10%. You guys want to use $2 off of 2 coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $6.76 for the 4 of these. You guys also want to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Now, if you guys don't know what Fetch Rewards is my second favorite app. It's an app where all you do is you scan your receipts, like mostly Walmart, Target, your grocery store, Walgreens, CVS, and then if you buy specific products, you get extra points. So usually you get 25 points for every receipt you scan, but then if you buy certain brands, and there's a thing, a list with all the brands, you get extra points included. So that's even awesome. Once you guys hit 1,000 points, that's $1. But if you guys click my referral link, you guys will end up getting $2 right away once you redeem your first receipt. So you guys want to do that. And you can also start getting gift cards as little as $3. I always say either use those gift cards for when you guys need something, or you could save them for Christmas to go for a free Christmas. I did this last year. I made a video how I save for Christmas, and I'll probably do again one for this year, but that's what I do. So you get extra points for these. Usually you get like, I think I got like 20 or $1.76 points. I don't know exactly what I got for each one, but I got like, I think like 20 points a piece, maybe a little bit less than that. But then what's funny is you guys would also get a $5 gift card when you guys buy 4 of them. So that's a pretty good deal. You guys want to do that deal. These come out to be $1.76 for all 4 of them, or just 44 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty decent deal. Funny thing is, cashier's like, you want this coupon? And I'm like, no, I have a better coupon. I says if I did need the coupon, I would have pulled it off. But I love it. Cashiers are always like, you need this coupon, right? No, I would have pulled it off if I really needed it, because otherwise I would have forgot. But that's a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in that. Just 44 cents a bottle from $2.99. Great price. I was going to get Dentex flossers, but my store was completely sold out, and they didn't have a sign for it, so I don't know if it was still on sale. But buy 3, they're 5% off. There's dollar coupons that you guys can print from the Dentex website. You guys would pay $4.80, but then you guys would get a $5 gift card, making it a moneymaker. But my store didn't have it or marked, so I'm not sure what was going on. I ended up getting the Colgate Optic toothpaste. Now, this is kind of nice getting toothpaste somewhere else than just Walgreens and CVS. So these are $3.99 a piece. So, and there's some that are $4.99, there's some that are $3.99. So make sure you guys check that out. But these are $3.99. You guys want to use that 5 off of 3 coupon that we have from coupons.com. That was just available yesterday. I think it was still available as long as I know. But you guys would pay $6.97 for all 3 of these. But then you guys will get a $5 gift card when you buy 3, making it $1.97 or just 65 cents. So 65 cents is a little high for toothpaste, but I still wanted to share with you guys this deal anyways. I still think it's a pretty decent deal. I mean, it's still a decent deal just to show you guys. Sorry, I'm either out of breath or this acid reflux that I have. I just don't like it. I gotta start sucking on some Tums constantly. Next deal, Suavitel. I have never gotten the big bottle of this before, so if you guys are interested in doing this deal, this was $2.69. There's a 50% off printable coupon that you guys can use. Now, if you guys can't use printable coupons, you guys can also load them on your Cartwheel app on Target, but there's only one coupon, so you could, I didn't know if there was a Colgate one, but I know there's definitely a Suavitel on that. But you guys would pay $2.19 for this. But then you guys can also submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.69. So I thought, you know what, I just wanted to show you guys an Ibotta deal. And I thought this is a pretty decent deal, and a lot of people love this kind. So wanted to share with you guys on that. Plus, that's an Ibotta. So I'm close. I'm super close to finishing level 4. I didn't have enough rebates between my Target and Walmart haul day to finish level 4, but that's okay. It's only the 21st, so we still got another week to go. So there's definitely that for finishing level 4. And then the last deal I got is a Suave Men shampoo and conditioner. Now this is a 3-in-1 and this is a 2-in-1. They had some other ones that were $2.99. These are $2.89, okay? I don't know why they have them in different prices, but I really like doing this deal when they have this. I'm out of breath. But $2.89, you guys want to use 2 of those 2 off of 2 coupons that we just got this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $7.56 for 4 of these. So I got 2 of the 3-in-1s, and then I got 2 of the 2-in-1s. So yeah, $7.56, but then you guys will get a $5 gift card, making them $2.56 or 64 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal for shampoo and conditioner. I mean, this is just your basic shampoo and conditioner. You guys also want to scan your receipt for Fetch Rewards so you guys can get points. For between both Suave products that I got, I ended up getting 113 points for Fetch Rewards. So that adds up. You know, that's like 10 cents worth of points. So I thought that's pretty good. 10 cents is 10 cents. So got that going up. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. I like to get the Suave Men because there's a lot of guys out there that just don't care, so why not get in it for them? My total came to $23.48. I ended up getting $15 back in a gift card. That was for the Suave Men, the Suave detangler, and then the Colgate toothpaste, so 15 bucks back in a gift card. And I always kind of roll my gift cards from Target, so then you don't have to pay much out of pocket. I ended up submitting a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. So my total came to $7.98. Not the greatest, but hey, I'll still take it for $7.98. I feel like my total should be lower than that, but it's about right. $7.98. I got 12 items. That comes out to be just 66 cents a piece, which is a pretty okay deal. I mean, the toothpaste still came out the same price, and I think 66 cents for this stuff is a pretty decent deal compared to $2.99 or $2.89. So yeah, that was my Target haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do want to do more Target hauls. I really do, but it's just, I don't remember the last time I really did a couponing video at Target. It's been months since I really did it. Target just hasn't had a good Ibotta sale. I mean, there's other people who do Ibotta specifically for Target. Go for that, but I just feel like, for me, I'm not finding as much good deals. And I mean, I don't have a problem with couponing at Target. It's just, I don't know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys all another time. See you later. Bye-bye.